In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change address settings in Shopify Checkout. We'll walk through this together inside your Shopify admin, so you can control exactly what customer address information is collected during checkout and how it appears to your shoppers. First, log into your Shopify dashboard. This is your main admin area where you manage products, orders, customers, and all of your store settings. Once you're on the main dashboard screen, look for the settings option, usually found at the bottom left of the sidebar. Go ahead and click on settings to open up all the different configuration areas for your store. Inside settings, find and click on checkout. This is the section where Shopify lets you control how the checkout process behaves, including what information customers have to fill in and what's optional. Now, in the checkout settings page, look for the section called customer information. Here, you'll see options related to names and address fields. One of the key settings lets you decide whether you require customers to enter both their first and last names or only their last name. For most stores, requiring both first and last names is helpful for shipping labels, customer service, and personalization. But if your business has a specific reason to only collect last names, you can change that here. Next, you can choose whether to include a company name field. This is useful if you sell to other businesses or often ship to offices, warehouses, or organizations. If most of your customers are individuals, you may want to leave this as optional or even hidden, but if B2B orders are common, including the company name can help avoid delivery issues. You'll also see an option for address line 2. This field is typically used for apartment numbers, unit numbers, building names, or any extra delivery details. It's generally best to leave address line 2 as optional, so customers can add more information if they need to, without making the checkout feel too demanding for those who don't. Further down, you can customize the shipping address phone number option. You can set this to required, optional, or hidden, depending on your needs. Requiring a phone number can be very useful for carriers who might need to contact customers about delivery. But if your audience is sensitive about sharing phone numbers, you might prefer to keep it optional. Finally, keep in mind that Shopify doesn't let you change everything about the checkout, but these address and contact settings do give you a bit of flexibility. Once you've adjusted each option to match your business requirements, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save. That's it. Your Shopify checkout address